Hi there, lovely people. This is the real maths of KNEC, Goddess of Justice, Truth, Balance, and Harmony. And today I want to congratulate KUPPET for coming out strongly and exposing KCSC for using chemical or for allowing our children to use xylene chemical, which is a very toxic chemical. Whenever it is inhaled, it has this acidic where it can oxidate the plastic within some minutes, and if it can do this to a plastic, or let me say it can also neutralize plastic within some minutes. And also, what else can it do? So not only it's acidic, it's also corrosive, and corrosive materials should not be exposed to an open air, as whenever we breathe them, they tend to react the same way they react whenever they are in the air. Like they can have the same damage or same effects inside our body, and because our body is a soft tissue, it's even worse to us whenever we inhale it. So I don't know why KCSC came up with that idea of just sourcing chemical which is very destructive to our soft tissues, and mostly exposing it to our children. That is why I'm saying we need to protect our children, our youth, because they are the most targeted. They are the one who are dying left and right each and every day, because this is because of the things they are being exposed to them. They are exterminating them at an early age. Like xylene, it wasn't meant to be used in such a subject that we don't use it afterwards. After Form 4, we never use it. That is the end of it. It never helps us at all. Subjects like physics and history, they don't add up, because history is a fake history. Somebody who is giving us our history, like we don't know our history. Physics is something that we don't use it after we Form 4. That is the end of it. Why is all this energy is being directed to such subjects that are not helping our students? So it's a high time we introduce those subjects that are going to make sense in our brains, in our children's brains, because this kind of education is just making our children dabber and dabber. They can't think out for themselves. We have to think for them. So we need to come up with subjects which are intended to make our children's brain grow. So chemistry, such subjects, because they are exposing our teachers and our students to such chemicals like sulfuric acid, and we are importing these chemicals all the way from overseas to come and use them here, because somebody wants to get rich through this exporting of harmful products from other countries. Products such as sulfuric acid, whenever they are used in their own country, they have that combatant gear to protect themselves, because they know the adverse effects of these things. So it was very wrong for the person who supplied this xylene. We need to see this person prosecuted, arrested and prosecuted. And let me say that it was very good of you, KUPPET. We couldn't have known this. We couldn't have known that our students were exposed to such a harmful chemical. Although you said it when the children had partaken the test, so you need to pull up your socks and come up or give warning whenever you see such a thing. This will help us so much for the sake of our kids and our teachers. So once again, congratulations, KUPPET, and may you continue doing what you did, what you exposed. And also, what I would like to say is that you should, like I said, we introduce subjects that are more or which are bringing growth to our children's brain so that they can be able to think for themselves. So that is it, people. Do have a lovely day.